That is not sped up. I'm hoping to catch it on a color change. Right now it's printing white, but it will eventually switch to blue. Okay, I think it's printing the top white surface, so we should be able to see it change colors here shortly, maybe. You can tell it's going a lot slower to get better quality. So a couple of things to note here. The bed is in like a little tray. So if you pull it out, you can put it back exactly where it's supposed to be, which is kind of cool. There's a touch screen, 4 rolls of filament attached to the printer that go up through this thing they call the IFS, and that goes into this adapter piece. Now, you could print something like that and just use a bunch of extruders, but the reality is this is a little different. This is a direct extruder. It's pulling the 4, and there's some mechanism inside the IFS that I guess finishes it off. But it also has a way to cut the filament. You can see that little handle there, and it's got a place to throw out the cut spent pieces when it purges. And it throws them out the back. Of course, what's interesting is it just throws them right out the back. I had to print a little adapter that you screw on there and put like a Dixie cup in it so that it collects in a cup instead of just blows out all over the floor. There's a lot of very overwrought designs for that, and I'm sure I'll be building something better, but that was a quick print, and you just stick a cup in it, and then you just have to empty the cup. So that seemed to make sense. Still no color change. Oh, here's a purge. So I think this is going to be our first color change. Yeah, it goes over there. It's ejecting what's left of the white, unloading up the blue. Can't really see it happening. Those tubes are kind of translucent, but I don't know, I can't really tell. Oh yeah, I see it moving now. I see the blue one moving into the extruder body. It's probably not visible on the video. Well, maybe it is. You just kind of have to know where to look. And so it should be pretty much hitting the hot end about now. And you'll hear it. It's got a very obnoxious noise when it kicks the filament out as it starts streaming. You know, so it pushes some out and just kind of knocks it off. There it goes. And then I believe after that it will go run some on the purge tower. Once it's decided it's got enough blue filament coming out. So my other printer I can configure to do color, but boy, it's a mess compared to this, and this is just trivial. It's built for it. So you can see the blue is coming out. Very nice contrasting color. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So right now I've got 3 colors loaded. I've got black, white, this blue, And I also have a black roll of PETG. I want to try printing some supports with PETG because they say that breaks off of PLA very easily, or vice versa. So if you want to do supports, if you do them in the opposite material, they come off very easy. I haven't actually had a chance to try that before. I also wouldn't mind trying some PVA, and I have PVA, but I have a feeling it's going to have to be dried and be very difficult to deal with. Plus, I don't think this printer has a setting for PVA, so I'm going to have to get a little more adept at digging into its internals. Yeah, that's very sharp looking. Works super well. So a few other things to note. This is a Core XY printer. So it's like a drafting machine. It's just got one big belt that goes all around. And of course, obviously it's not a bed slinger. The bed drops up and down. I've had printers that do that before, what do they call it, H-bot or whatever. I don't know. It's all in what you get used to. It's really not a problem either way. But the speed of this is amazing, and the ease of which it can switch those colors for you is crazy. So anyway, there you go.